Risk Jr. How to Play. The object of the game is to have the most points at the end. You get points from collecting treasure and controlling islands. Lay out the board and shuffle the treasure cards. Place one treasure face down on each of the islands with a treasure space. Each player picks up a ship token and 8 pirate tokens of the same color. The youngest player places one pirate token on any empty island except the center Skull Island. Then the next player clockwise does the same until all the islands have one pirate on them. Then each player puts their ship on the center Skull Island. The youngest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, move your ship one space along the connected path to another island. You may not stay in the same space, you must move. If you land on an island with another player's pirate on it, you must battle them. To battle, put a die in your ship and launch it by pressing the lever on the ship's back. If you roll higher than your opponent, you win, and you put one of your pirate tokens on the island and remove their pirate token from the island. If there is a treasure card on the island, you get to take it face down next to you. Do not look at it. If your opponent rolls higher, or if there is a tie, then they win and keep the island and take the treasure face down for themselves. If you land on an island with your own pirate on it, then nothing happens and you do not collect a treasure card if it's present. Play continues until all the treasures have been claimed. Then the game ends and the players reveal their treasure cards. Each player receives 1 point for each island they control and 1 point for each coin on their treasure cards. The player with the most points wins.